Salams. This is Tara Khan and welcome to Salaam Souk, happening right here Feb 22nd at Jayamahal Palace. So this is our entry. You can see a very, very, very beautiful entry right here that we have curated for you. But before we go in, I want to focus on a couple of things. We have an Islamic museum here, which is absolutely free. So on your way in, I'm sure you're going to be, shopping. But on your way out, make sure you do step inside this Islamic museum. Guys, we have a play area here, which is Butterfly Express. You can bring your kids. It's $4.99 unlimited, and they have more than 25 rides in here. So let's talk a little bit about Salaam Souk, the Road to Ramadan. So this year's theme is the Road to Ramadan. And as you can see, we want to give a lot of Iftar Ramadani vibes here. So as you can see, a very, very pretty walkway here giving you Ramadan vibes. We have about 90 stalls here that are selling home businesses, big brands, small brands. We have people selling from home. We have kids who are doing their own businesses. We have a Nika and we have a Swiggy. So basically we welcome everybody. Here is the Grand Bazaar. We have over 90 stalls at the Grand Bazaar. So we'll quickly walk you through. We have a photo booth here. So lots of pretty photo booths where you can stand and take pictures. Here is one of our superstars of the show behind the scenes.
Hi.
Don't get to see the unsung heroes. You usually just see my face, but trust me, I don't do any work. I just come and speak. Yeah? All right, so this is the Grand Bazaar. All right, so very quickly, we have an amazing range of stores here. We have Pakistani clothes, we have high-end clothes, we have modest clothes, we have accessories and hijabs. As you can see, we have the very famous Abayat here, who's been always a constant. And then one of our favorite stores here is Uruj Collection. So if you want anything festive wear, please do come to the store. And their namesake behind the brand is Uruj. Uruj, say hi.
Hi.
So guys, Uruj Collection here at Salaam Souk. Please do come. I'm going to quickly do a walkthrough because it's hot and we're all sweaty. But again, you can see that the vibe is really nice. It will get cooler. So guys, a lot of small businesses with beautiful decor. So make sure you do come and support them. What we do have is photo booths everywhere, so make sure that you do take advantage of these photo booths. I'm going to go stand in front of it so I can show people. Guys, at Salaam Souk, so make sure you take a lot of pictures and tag us, Salaam Souk India. There's a very interesting stall here that I would like you guys to see. It is run by two little girls. It's called Moonlit Wick by 10, and she's the little brain behind this business.
So these are my handmade candles, and I'm in 9th grade right now, so I'm making them by hand as a little hobby and to sell them and become a young entrepreneur.
That's amazing, guys. So like I said, we have from the biggies like Nika and Swiggy to our 9th grader.
Yeah.
So everybody is welcome at Salaam Souk. This is a space for the entire community to come together. So I would really highly encourage that the community come together, support each other. And I can hear a lot of people. I think the MC is making announcements. So let's quickly, what you see there on the right is your Iftar Galli. All right, guys, here at Salaam Souk and yet another amazing photo booth. And let's continue our walk through the Grand Bazaar. This is one of our aisles. Continue real quick. We have mini melts here. It's a very, very hot day, so please make sure you come and grab your softie and your ice creams. Okay guys, here is Wal Lux. They sell some amazing products, Islamic inspired products. So make sure you do check them out. They're amazing for Ramadan gifting. Yeah. Continuing down the Grand Bazaar. Lots of kids here. So guys, you have a kiddie section. So make sure you drop your kids at the kids zone. Some amazing decor happening here thanks to Z Productions who've done the decor. I want to quickly have a look at the stage schedule that's going to start up at 5 o'clock. The hijab styling workshop by Anik. The Big Fat Samosa Challenge, which you can win a LG refrigerator depending on how many samosas you can wrap in 2 minutes. You have a cooking workshop by the very famous Lavon chef Gaza Rahman. And then we have the stand-up comedian, officially sane, Muhammad Hussain, who's coming all the way from Dubai to give us some laughs. All right, guys, real quick, want to take you to another young entrepreneur. And this is Iman Explorers. It is run by 2 little girls. So hi, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name's Ida. Hi, my name is Saira.
And what do you guys do here?
We basically run Iman Explorers because Iman is not here right now.
So Iman is the namesake who's not here right now. And we have some amazing, Ramadan-inspired products here. So guys, please do come and promote these, help these little girls out. You have the Salah tracker. You have the A for Alhamdulillah plate for the little ones. So teach them early. We have the Moon Star tray. We have a Salah tracker.
PJs. We have PJs. We have a doodle pad right over there.
So guys, a lot of products for kids, as you can see. You have these Eid balloons here as well. So all our products are displayed. So if you want to decorate your home for Ramadan, Iman Explorers is the place to be. And run by 2 little girls,
Saira and Ida. Welcome to Salaam Souk.
All right, guys, that was a perfect welcome. Guys, if you want to frost a cupcake, we have Velvet Bake sitting here doing that as well. This is Salaam Souk, and the place that you're going to find most people is the food court. We have Broast Khan here, being really popular, followed by Bashir Biryani. Okay, so guys, this is not even the beginning of Iftar Galli. Okay, guys, so here are a bunch of people enjoying at Salaam Souk. Enjoying. Can you say something about Salaam Souk?
It's such a great day out. The food is amazing.
The number is
So food is amazing. You have Bashir and you have Broast Khan here.
along with white color Skoda, that is AA02 MB6012. We request them to move immediately.
Iftar Galli, and it's filled with food. So take your pick. You have sweets, you have MK, you have Taj doing Pathar Gosh. Let's go see what they're doing. It is extremely hot right now, but they have Pathar Gosh, Keema Pao. This is Taj Chichabaz. Cannot miss this. And this is the Iftar Galli, guys. As you can see, a bunch of stalls on each side. You have, if you want shawarma, you want chocolate covered strawberries, you want chai, you want baklava. I don't know what you want. I don't know what your poison is, but take your pick. Everything is available here. We have Tazish and Velvet Bakes selling some amazing lasagna. Fanus and Sharif Bhai. Quickly, let me talk about the Fanus rolls that are very, very famous from Richmond Town. And then Sharif Bhai here selling Nalli Nihari and a lot of yummy stuff. And Halim as well. There's Empire Juice, guys. This is something you really need because it's so hot right now. And trust me, only this is going to help you survive. So for people who have come in early, Empire. Again, welcome to Salaam Souk. Please get here. Make sure you wear your sunscreen, grab a hat and a bottle of water, and come soon because I cannot wait to see you. Bye.